Hey guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik YouTube channel and beautiful Shulman dragon fruit orchard. I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification so that you will not miss any next videos. I will travel my videos around the world as well. You would really enjoy to see it, and season of harvesting just begun. We have so many varieties, we have so many flowers. I just pollinated 3,500 flowers in the past 2 months in my little orchard, and today we're gonna harvest a beautiful Robles red fruit. It's my first fruit, but before we go there, I want to introduce you to all the tools and measurements that we have at my table right now. Okay, we do have a scale. We're going to check the weight of the fruit, and we have the refractometer. Okay, if you've never seen like this one, it's a digital refractometer, pocket refractometer to check the sugar consistency in your fruit. And we have knife, we have a garlic squeezer, so you can squeeze the juice and check the bricks score of the fruit. Okay, so let's do it. Let's harvest the fruit. Okay, this is my first beautiful Robles red fruit. Okay, here we go. Nice round shape, deep red. Look at this pretty colors, right? Look at this. It's even transitioned from one side. It's a nice red color and orange color, and we'll be happy. Okay, just gonna wash it very fast. Wipe it. And you know, guys, the fruit is always good tasting when you kept it in the refrigerator, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever time you have. But it's always good to have in the refrigerator, so it's got nice, refreshing taste of the fruit. And you can do dragon fruit lemonade. You can do fruit salad. You can add to fruit salad. There's so many different dishes that you can re-implement these days dragon fruit too. So this become a super fruit with lots of vitamins, minerals, and amazing flavors. Okay, so we check the weight first. Okay, so here we go. I'm sure it's probably a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna check. Let's check the pounds first. Okay, 9.5. Okay, so 9.5 ounces. So it's a half. It's a little bit over half a pound. Okay, and we'll check the grams. 270 grams. Okay, 270 grams. It's a quarter kilo. Okay, and that's pretty good size. Little bit over a half a pound fruit. Okay, so but this is my first fruit, and hopefully we'll enjoy more and more coming. Lots of flowers were pollinated, and of course later the fruit and plant getting bigger and become mature, so that's a good one. Okay, so we're gonna slice. I told you in my previous videos, guys, so when you slice the fruit, do not hit it exactly on the center, so you do not go force the stem over here. Go a little bit off, so this way it's a nice and pretty slice. Okay, let's take a look what we have there. Ta-da! Whoa! Look at this. Wow. That's a pretty nice magenta color fruit. Here we go, guys. Now we're gonna get the center of the fruit, so we can do the bricks score with my refractometer, okay, to check the sweetness of the fruit. Okay, all industries are using this technology to check how sweet. You can check the sweetness of your juices or drinks or fruit, whatever, and you can control the sugar intake. Okay, so it's called refractometer. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, turn around to you. Whoa, 42 Celsius temperature. Okay, so let's check. I'm gonna squeeze. Oh, nice, beautiful, pretty color. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you can use the dragon fruit as a natural food coloring, and this is amazing. Okay, let's check it. Whoa, 17.3. Come over here, guys. Take a look. Robles red, beautiful, pretty, 17.3 brick score, very happy numbers. Thank you so much. And let's do the taste, okay? I'm gonna slice it and let's enjoy the beautiful fruit of Robles Red. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Strawberry. I feel really good flavor of strawberry and combination of all the tropical flavors. Oh my gosh. This is such a good plant. Thank you. Thank you so much, my beautiful plant, for giving me such a yummy, yummy fruit. Oh my gosh. Guys, amazing flavor. You should get this plant. If I'm gonna have more fruit as well, I'm gonna be very happy to share with you. But this is definitely a keeper at your home. I hope the fruit will get bigger and bigger based on the size of my, this is just, you know, probably like year and a half plant, and already give me so many yummy and tasty fruit. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for you guys as well for following me. We have like over 3,000 subscribers already in our channel. Very, very happy to see you guys. People traveling around the world, visiting my orchard and tasting the fruit, and I'm happy. People who come in happy, family, kids introduced to nature, introduced to a healthy eating and yummy fruit. This is definitely, guys, your summer vacation fruit bowl, salad bowl, and any addition to your dessert, or just scoop it from a refrigerator or make it sorbet. Just keep it this fruit in your freezer for probably a couple hours, and then just grab the spoon and scrape it, and this is such a yummy sorbet, dragon fruit, natural sorbet. Thanks, guys. Appreciate Alik, Nature with Alik, 323 area code 547-1273. See you all. Bye-bye.